Right, let's start styling our application since we have most of the things intact and ready for with all the plugins. The next thing I want to do is I want to add a background image, and again this is the bagel image I use and also color drop down. And I just searched for Montreal bagels. If you want the same one, I think it was something like that. You can whatever you want really. If you want a plain blue background, fine. But I'm going to use this image here, and just to make sure that everything will look decent, it's at least 1600 times 900 in pixels, and the size right now is 364 kilobytes, so it's a decent size for a background, good quality, not too big. Excellent. So we're going to use our app here, and we already tested the background color in main because that's the main part. Let's go over here. So the main is this one here, right? We don't want the background to float into this one or this one. If you do, then you need to do something else than I am doing. So in here, we're going to use main, and we're going to set the background image like this, and we're going to use URL. And since we are using Vue, we know our position from app is right here, and we just need to go into the assets folder, and then for the actual JPEG file. So the /, and assets, like so, / and then the name of the image, .bagels, like that, and with an S in my case, and let's click save, and hopefully we have the image over here. Now this is 16 times 900 on my resolution right now. It's fine, but I have blank space, so quick one to cover all of this is just by adding background size and do the cover position here. You can move around this, stretch and cover and contain and whatever you want really, but this, for me, this works fine. I'm okay with it stretching a little bit like this. So this is implementing the background image kind of fast, and let's also start moving the navigation here, because I don't really want all this code for the navigation, all this code here, to be in my app. I want to create, and we're going to do the next video, I want to create a navigation component and take the drawer and the list of links into this one, and then implement that component into my app view instead. So that one is just the parent, and the navigation is the child component or nested component inside of my app view, because I'm also going to use my navigation to control or test the user logged in later on in this series. So next video, let's do a component.